Hi everyone, welcome back to Fixsoft. In this video I'll show you how to set up and run a virtual Android device on your Windows computer. It's simple and works great if you want to test apps or just try out Android without a real phone. It comes with Play Store and you can easily install all Android apps and games. So watch till the end and follow each step carefully. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Android Studio. Go to the official site. Once you are on the website, click on this download button. Now scroll down and accept all the terms and then click the download button and downloading will start. Once the downloading completes, open your downloads folder. Double-click the installer to begin. Android Studio setup will start. On the setup screen, click Next. Now choose location where you want to install it. Finally, click Install. Once the installation finishes, check the box to start Android Studio and click Finish. Android Studio will open. Keep the installation type as standard. Accept terms from both sections. It will again download some files, so wait until it completes. Now to create a virtual Android device, click More Actions, then select Virtual Device Manager. Now click on the plus icon here. You'll see different categories like phone, tablet, TV and more. For this tutorial, I'll choose phone and select Pixel 4 as the model. Click Next. Here you need to download its file. Then click Finish. Now you'll see the device listed in the Virtual Device Manager. To start it, just click the play icon. The emulator will take a little time to load, so be patient. And there it is, your virtual Android phone running right on your Windows computer. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Fixsoft. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.